Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trello for creative boards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.trello.com and press enter. Once the Trello homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can enter your email address associated with your Trello account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Once your password is entered, click on the Login button again. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After logging in, you will see your Trello dashboard. To create a new creative board, click on the Create New Board option. Give your board a suitable name that reflects your creative project. You can also choose a background design and set privacy settings for your board. Once you've set everything, click Create Board to finalize it. Your new creative board is now ready for use. Feel free to add lists and cards to organize your ideas and tasks. Explore the features available to customize your board as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.